So check these out. These are some new mirrors that I'm going to be installing on my rock crawler in this video, and I picked these up from Obstcle. These are some really cool off-road mirrors, and they're designed heavy duty for buggies, UTVs, Jeeps, rock crawlers, pretty much anything off-road. And what's neat about these is they're built with this strong, durable aluminum kind of cage that protects the mirror. And then also what happened, they come with two tabs that you just weld to the cage. And then if you hit a rock, they'll pivot right in. So you tighten it just enough that it doesn't get loose going down the trail. But if you hit something, they'll pivot in and it won't rip off. So that's what's neat about these. These are a really cool design. These are made by Paul Horschel designed these. And I just picked up a set for this rock crawler because I haven't put any on there yet. And we're going to install these. So what I'm going to do, the steps are, I'm going to figure out where I want these height-wise. Then I'm going to clean the paint off that section and then mark it with my marker so they're level on each side with my tape measure. So it's the same distance from the top of the cage down. Then I'm going to go back, tack them in place, tack the tabs in place when I'm happy with it. Then I'm going to go back, fully weld the tabs, touch up the paint again, put these in, and bolt them in place. It's a super quick and easy installation. When you order these, they can come fully welded right here, or you can get them on-welded if you just want to do the aluminum welding yourself. I would recommend just ordering them welded. It's that much quicker. These are a super good deal for what they are, and I would recommend them to anybody. All right, so I've got these mirrors installed. I think they look great. They turned out great. And if so, I hit a rock. If we go into these tight canyons and you hit a rock, it just moves right in. And I put it tight enough so that with this lock nut, so that it won't rattle loose. So it's on there pretty tight. Tight enough that it won't rattle loose down the trail, but if I hit something, it will push it right in. So it's a great design, and a rock will go right by there because I do slide down the rocks. Anyway, these are really cool. Recommend them to anyone.